Hammoud Hub. How to set user account control UAC warnings in Windows 11. If you've ever seen a pop-up that says something like, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" That's a user account control UAC warning. These warnings are there for a reason, to protect your system from unwanted changes. What is user account control? UAC is a built-in Windows security feature. It notifies you whenever a program or system setting tries to make a change that needs admin approval. These changes can affect other users, change security settings, install or remove software, modify system files. UAC is your safety net. Ask yourself this first. When you see a UAC warning, pause and ask, did I start this action? If yes, for example, you're installing an app or changing settings, click yes. If no, and you weren't expecting anything, click no. How to change UAC settings in Windows 11. You can adjust how often UAC warns you. Here's how. 1. Press the Windows key or click Start. 2. Type Control Panel and open it. 3. Select System and Security. 4. Under Security and Maintenance, click Change User Account Control Settings. 5. A UAC warning may pop up. Click Yes if you initiated this. The 4 UAC warning levels. You'll see a slider with 4 options. 1. Never notify. Bottom option. No UAC warnings at all. You can install apps and change settings freely. Not recommended. High risk. Or 2. Notify only when apps try to make changes. No desktop. Dim. Shows fewer warnings. Screen doesn't dim. Good for experienced users who manage their systems often. R3. Default, recommended for most users, warns when apps make changes, doesn't warn for Windows settings changes. Best balance between security and convenience. #4. Always notify, top option, warns for all changes, even ones you make. Screen dims to highlight the warning. Ideal for new users or those who want max protection. Pro tip, watch for the shield icon. You'll often see a shield icon next to buttons or links. That means the action needs admin permission and will trigger a UAC warning. Which settings should you use? Default, safe for most users, just enough protection without being annoying. Lower level, use only if you're tech savvy and comfortable with the risks. Higher level, great for beginners or shared family computers. Final tip. Always pause when a UAC warning appears. If you didn't start the action, click No. This small step can protect your system from malware or bad software. Let me know if you want to